Long before humans ever traveled into space, scientists faced a big question. Could any living creature survive outside Earth? Space was mysterious and dangerous. No one knew how the body would react to zero gravity, strong rocket launches, or harmful space radiation. Because of this uncertainty, scientists decided to first send animals into space before risking human lives. In the 1950s, different animals such as fruit flies, mice, monkeys, and dogs were used in space experiments. These animals helped scientists study breathing, heartbeat, movement, and survival during space travel. Among all of them, one animal became famous across the world, a small dog named Laika. Laika was a stray dog found on the streets of Moscow, Russia. She was friendly, calm, and small enough to fit inside a spacecraft. Scientists believed dogs could handle stressful conditions better than many other animals, so Laika was selected for an important mission. In 1957, Laika was launched into space aboard the Soviet spacecraft Sputnik 2. This historic mission made her the first living creature to orbit Earth. At that time, space exploration was still very new, and the mission was a huge scientific achievement. Laika's journey helped scientists understand that a living being could survive a rocket launch and spend time in space. The information gathered from animal missions helped researchers improve spacecraft and prepare humans for future space travel. A few years later, in 1961, Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin became the first human to travel into space successfully. Although Laika's mission was risky, it played an important role in the history of space exploration. Her journey helped open the path for human space missions and changed the future of science forever. Space exploration began because humans were curious to discover what existed beyond Earth. Scientists wanted to learn more about space, planets, and the Moon. During the 1960s, the United States and the Soviet Union were competing with each other in what became known as the space race. Both countries spent huge amounts of money and used their best scientists and technology to become the first nation to achieve great success in space exploration. One of the biggest achievements of this race was landing humans on the Moon. In 1969, American astronaut Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on the Moon. His famous step onto the lunar surface became a historic moment for all mankind. Before astronauts could safely travel into space, scientists needed special protective suits. Space is extremely dangerous because there is no air or normal air pressure, and temperatures can become extremely hot or freezing cold. Harmful radiation is also present in space. To protect astronauts, engineers created spacesuits that provide oxygen, maintain air pressure, control temperature, and allow astronauts to survive while working outside spacecraft. These suits were specially designed to act like a small, safe environment around the astronaut's body. Scientists also wondered what would happen if astronauts traveled deep into the atmosphere of giant planets made mostly of gas. Experts believed that a spacecraft would slowly sink through thick clouds of gas and vapor. As it moved deeper, the pressure and heat would become stronger and stronger until the spacecraft could eventually be crushed or melt because of the extreme conditions. The history of space travel also includes many important space firsts. In 1961, Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin became the first human to orbit Earth. His successful mission proved that humans could survive space travel. Later, Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on the Moon during the Apollo 11 mission in 1969. Another amazing achievement was the Voyager 1 spacecraft. It became the first spacecraft to leave our solar system and travel into interstellar space, the enormous region between the stars. Even after decades of travel, Voyager 1 continues sending information back to Earth from billions of kilometers away. There were also some unusual moments in space history. During the Apollo 11 mission, astronaut Buzz Aldrin became the first person to urinate on the moon, using a special collection bag built into his spacesuit. Small details like these helped scientists improve astronaut life support systems for future missions. All of these discoveries and missions helped humans learn more about space and opened the path for future exploration beyond Earth. And that's how space exploration changed human history forever. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing science and space content. See you in the next video.